What's up, gamers? Here's how to solve the Bluemont Manor Strongbox puzzle in Crimson Desert. A heads up, there are actually two strongboxes inside the Bluemont estate. One in the northern mansion with the green marker, and another one in the southern building with the brown marker. First up, you need to have a mask, which is something you can buy from the back alley shop located southeast of Hernan Town. When you have it, proceed to Bluemont Manor, which is on the southwest side of town. Upon entering the estate, let's begin first with the southern building, which is the first building you'll be facing when entering from the main road. Move to this point of the building and look to the left. You'll see a balcony with a door. Climb up top of it and enter through the door. Turn right, go through another door, turn right again, and go inside an open room past the stairs. Inside this room is the strongbox. Interact with it to solve the puzzle. First, make sure all the 5 cylinders are raised up to the maximum. When this is settled, let's begin solving the puzzle from left to right. Lower the first cylinder 5 times. Two times for the second cylinder. 4 times for the third one. Three times for the fourth. And 5 times for the last one. Then press the right hand button. And if you hear a sparkly sound effect, turn it right. If in any case it didn't work, observe how the cylinders looked after you pressed the right button. You have to make sure the silver part is fully in the picture, with the gold part fully in the wooden section, and the black line in level with the edge of the wood. Adjust the cylinders again until you meet these requirements. If all is in the proper order and you turn the knob right, the strongbox will unlock. Open it, and with your mask equipped, steal the finely crafted gold necklace inside. Next is the one in the north building. Exit from the balcony where you got inside, and once you drop down, proceed to the building across the yard with the cart parked beside its entrance. Turn right and go through the door. Go upstairs and get inside the only room on the second floor. Upon entering this room, you'll find the strongbox to the right. Interact with it. Now this one has a different puzzle. Press the 4th button until the 4th panel is displayed. Move to the 1st button and press it until the 1st panel appears. Next, move to the 2nd, then press until the 2nd panel shows up. Then lastly, do the same for the 3rd button. If all is in correct order, the strongbox will unlock automatically. Open it, and with your mask equipped, steal the Oath of Darkness inside. Congrats! You've completed Bluemont Manor Strongbox puzzles and acquired its prize items. Don't forget to leave a like or comment and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for tuning in.